May peace, blessings and mercies of Almighty be on all of you. I am Professor Khalid Hakim. Today, I will share with you some valuable tips to recognize a predatory journal. In the scientific community, everyone is desperate to get a publication accepted after a number of rejections, or they simply do not pay enough attention. An unwelcome consequence of the internet age of publishing has been the rise of so-called predatory publishing. Predatory publishing is often confused with open access, though they are distinctly different. These predatory journals are often attracting the students of science quick publication without a peer review. We should understand that peer review is the heart of the academic evaluation. Predatory refers to the fact that these entities prey on academicians for financial profit for open access articles. Without meeting scholarly publishing standards, these journals are based on the pay and publish model, and they are repositories for bogus research. Here are 10 important points to recognize the predatory journals. 1. Weak or poor websites. Always check who is an owner via http://whois.net/. 2. No proper or fake editorial board in the journal website. 3. Contact email address is non-professional. 4. Or non-journal affiliated, Yahoo, Gmail, Hotmail, etc. No peer review system and no retraction policy. 5. The scope of interest includes non-biomedical subjects alongside a biomedical topic, multidisciplinary. 6. Often claim to have a high impact factor with indexing in Google Scholar, Scopus etc. Often it is the first issue or early issues but with high impact factor. 7. Instant publications, 1 to 4 weeks. 8. Never ask for error correction, even in case of a major grammatical mistake. 9. Usually they attach themselves to Europe and the West, for example World, International and Global Journal of this and that. 10. Journal's short name is often similar to a famous journal, e.g. Nature Review, Nature Report, Advanced Nature compared to Nature. We shouldn't be in the trap of these bogus/predatory journals, otherwise, we may lose our valuable data. Stay connected with videos that are more educational videos. Subscribe to my channel. Stay blessed.